Once upon a snowy Christmas Eve in the quaint village of Evergreen, there lived a peculiar character named Senta. Unlike the traditional Santa Claus, Senta was a whimsical inventor with a heart full of generosity and a workshop filled with gadgets. His mission was to bring joy to the world in his own unique way. As children nestled into their beds with visions of sugar plums, Senta worked tirelessly in his hidden workshop, crafting enchanted toys and magical trinkets. His creations were not just for the good children. Senta believed that everyone, regardless of their actions, deserved a sprinkle of holiday magic. On this particular Christmas Eve, Senta had something extraordinary planned. He had invented a device that could transform the coldest of hearts into warm, compassionate ones. The Heartwarmer, as he called it, emitted a gentle glow that spread love and kindness wherever it went. Senta hitched his flying contraption, a fantastical invention resembling a mix of sleigh and hot air balloon, to a team of mischievous yet endearing robotic reindeer. With a Heartwarmer in tow, he soared through the starlit sky, leaving a trail of goodwill in his wake. As he glided over rooftops, Senta spotted a lonely old man sitting by his fireplace, yearning for company. With a twinkle in his eye, Senta aimed the Heartwarmer at the man's home. In an instant, the room filled with warmth and the sweet melody of laughter, as old friends reunited in the spirit of Christmas. Senta continued his magical journey, touching the lives of people who had forgotten the true meaning of the season. Families reconciled, friendships rekindled, and the joy of Christmas was reawakened in every corner of Evergreen. When the first rays of Christmas morning painted the sky, Senta returned to his workshop, content with the knowledge that he had made a difference in the lives of those he had touched. And so, the legend of Senta, the eccentric inventor who brought warmth to winter hearts, became a cherished tale in the village of Evergreen for generations to come.